Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD NEST. This is Chaitanya. Today topic is creation of layers, export and import in AutoCAD. So first we need to open the software. Here we need to create the layers first. So go to layer properties. Here, add new layers, shortcut Alt-N, give one name, for example ball, go to colors, select any one of the color, OK. Then we need to change line types, click on line type, node, whichever want, select the line, then OK. OK. Line weight or line thickness, select any one of the line, OK. Add layers, window, color, OK. Again add layers, doors, change the color, ventilators, you can add up to 100, 200 layers also, and close. Here we can check the layers. First, export the layer. Go to layers, unsaved layer state, manage layer state. First save the layers, go to new, give a name, OK, export, select the file location, layer format, then save. Restore. Open new file, shortcut Ctrl-N, select a CAD file, open. Here there is no layers, so here we need to import the layers. Go to layers, unsaved layer state, manage layer state, import, select the file and change the drawing file to layer file. Select layer file, open, restore. These are the import layers. Thank you for watching this video.